Hey everyone, so if you get MD Vinyl widget, now you can have a radio here. This is a new widget. If you just sign up with Apple or Spotify, you can just add it. Tap and hold, and then you can just tap plus, and then yeah, you can search for MD Vinyl, and then here you have also radio widget. So yeah, now you can also add this radio widget here. Just add widget, and that's basically how it works. And it's kind of old school radio, which you can tap play, tap previous, next, or like the song, and it's just synced with your Spotify, and it kind of looks like some very old school Winamp, if you know what that is, like Winamp media player. It's kind of really nice old school look there. Yeah, so there you have it. So check it out, MD Vinyl widget app. Definitely a cool thing.